There is a big difference between data controller and data processor. At Facewatch, we're the data controller for all the facial recognition processing. Our subscribers don't perform any facial recognition processing. It is us and us alone who hold all the responsibility. The benefit for a subscriber to Facewatch is that they can rely on Facewatch to perform all the biometric facial recognition processing. Subscriber doesn't do any, and neither do they have responsibility for it. Facewatch holds all the responsibility, whether they're called to account by a regulator, by the subscriber themselves, or by a member of the public. Facewatch handles all those inquiries. All our subscribers want to create a safe environment. Wherever Facewatch is deployed, crime plummets, typically from 40 to 70%. And it's not only the staff that work there that want a safe environment, shoppers do as well. They don't want to be confronted by crime or see criminals getting away with it. But if they do have a query, they should know that they can come to us, but they should also know that we're highly effective in reducing crime.